Dear students, now we are going to discuss the remaining part of genetic code. What is a singlet codon concept? What is a doublet codon concept? And what is a triplet codon concept? And before that one, you should remember that the number of kinds of amino acids which are involved in the synthesis of protein, 20 kinds. 21 also correct, but according to genetic code, go for 20 kinds only. So what about a singlet codon, first one, after that a doublet codon, and finally triplet codon.
Okay.
So first one, singlet codon. So each codon is with one nucleotide. So according to singlet codon concept, it is according to permutations and combinations. It is not working here. 4 to the power 1. So according to this concept, what about the number of kinds of codons? 4 kinds of codons only. But what about the number of kinds of amino acids? 20 kinds. So insufficient. So for example, this is a square with 4 boxes representing 4 kinds of codons. What are they? U, C, A, G. U itself, one codon. C itself, one codon. A itself, one codon. G itself, one codon. So here, number of kinds of codons is very less than the number of kinds of amino acids. So this type of singlet codon concept is a wrong one. It's a wrong one. Insufficient. And second one, doublet codon concept. So according to this, 4 kinds of nucleotides, all to the power 2, 4 square, 4 into 4. 16 kinds of codons. They are also insufficient. So take a square with 16 boxes. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. First position, U, C, A, G. This is the first position. And this side here second position. Here second position. U, C, A, G. And don't take third position. So according to this concept, first nucleotide this side, first side, and second position. So U, one kind of codon. U, C, second kind of codon. U, A, U, C. Next, C, U, C, C. Like this. First one, second one, first one, first one, first one, first one, second one, first one, third one, first one, fourth one, like that. C, A, C, C. A, U, AC, A, combinations, permutations and combinations. A, UCAG, UCAG. Please avoid the sound, please. AG, GU, GC, GA, GG. So this is also insufficient when compared with the number of kinds of amino acids which are involved in protein synthesis. So this is also not acceptable, insufficient, below the requirement. And most accepted one, according to Gamow scientist, proposal of a genetic code is a daunting task. It's a big task. It's a major task. And how to memorize that genetic code also a big task. So according to Gamow, third type, triplet. Triplet codon concept. So according to this, 4 to the power 3. So 4 into 4 into 4, 64 kinds of codons, more than required. Nowadays, we are following triplet codon concept. So according to this triplet codon concept, what about the genetic code? Here also take a 16 boxes. Okay. First position, second position, third position. Okay, 3 times we have to use it. So this one, first position, second position of nucleotides of the same kind only. And third position, U, C, A, G. U, C, A, G. U, C, A, G. So before the preparation of triplet code, initially I'm going to show you doublet codon concept. Doublet code. Okay, so according to doublet code, see, use these two only. See, uracil, 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 uracil. Okay, right? First one, and continue it. So how many you will get? Uracil, uracil. 1, 1. Okay. So like that, if you prepare here, you'll get a U, 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 U only. And in this case, UC, UC, UC. One kind or not? Only one kind. See here, U, one kind, UC. Same I'm preparing. Wait. Right. Next, U, A, U, A, U, A, U, A. Next, U, G, U, G, U, G, U, G. Up to here I'm using. Next, CU, wait, CU, CU, CU. CC, CC, and continue it. CA, CA. CG, 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 CG. Easy to prepare. AU, 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 AU. AC, 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 AA, AA, AG, AG, AG. Next, GU, 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 GC, 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 GA, 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 GG, GG. See, how many kinds of codons now? 16 only. But here 64. So with the help of only first one and second one, 64 not possible. So 16 converted to 64 because of a third position nucleotides. What is that? A third position one? Simply take UCAG in the third position in all. UCAG. So now how many kinds of codons here? 4 kinds of codons. Continue it. UCAG. 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 Continue it. Okay, so now total number of triplet codons. How many kinds now? 64 kinds or not? So 16 converted into 64 because of a third position codon. So how to memorize these codons? Okay, so you can prepare a flowchart up to here. From here onwards, this one codes for what type of amino acid. Okay, so first one that codes for phenylalanine, P capital HE, phenylalanine, PHE. So each amino acid is represented by 3 English alphabets. Phenylalanine. In that case, you should write PHE short form. P capital, HE small letter. Okay, so second codon codes for incorporation of phenylalanine. 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 Next one, leucine. Leucine. Use 3 letters. LEU. Simply I am writing LEU. Leucine. So first box with the PL. How to remember that one? For first box use IPL. Remember like that. IPL but remove I. PL. So first box is IPL minus I. PL. Phenylalanine. Leucine. So this is the way to remember so-called genetic code corresponding to for particular amino acid. And the second box is simply for all these only leucine. Okay, so continue IPL, remove I. PPLLL. So second box is completely L. Leucine. Okay, next third box isoleucine. I. And the third one also I. Isoleucine. I capital, I L E. I capital, L small, E small. See now you'll get a I P L. So this is a way to remember, but it is a different order. Remember like that. IPL. IPL. So first box, second box, third box with the help of IPL, you can memorize it. And AUG always codes for methionine. Okay, IPLM. Remember like that. And this one completely valine, VAL. Okay, IPLMV. So better in this box, how to memorize? P P L L L L. Okay, wait. L I M. So IPLMV. So first box is a little bit difficult, but use IPL MV, IPL MV. Remember like that. Okay. So this one, valine, VAL, V capital, AL small letters, valine amino acid. Next, what about second box, second column? Very easy to memorize. This box is completely serine, SER. Okay, yes. Next, P, proline, PRO, PRO. Third one, 309, THRE, 309, SPTA, alanine, alanine. So for this box, use Sapota, SPTA, Sapota or Sapta. So second column very easy to memorize, Sapta or Sapota like that. Sapta, SPTA. So second column very easy to remember. Next, fourth column, tyro, 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 stop, stop, tyro, tyro, stop, stop. So third column, first box, tyrosine, tyrosine, stop codon, stop codon, tyrosine, tyrosine, tyro, tyro, stop, stop. Remember like that. Okay. Next, this one, histidine, HIS, histidine, histidine, histidine. Next, glutamine, GLN, glutamine, glutamine, glutamine. So in the third column, second box is a little bit difficult. Histidine, glutamine. Okay. Next, ASN, ASN. Okay. ASN, asparginine, 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 asparginine. Next, lysine, 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 lysine. Next, this one, ASP, aspartic acid, aspartic acid. Next one, glutamic acid. Last two, GLU, glutamic acid, GLU, GLU. So here in the third column, tyro, tyro, stop, stop, okay, easy. After that, H, H, G, G, A, L, L, A, G, G. So very tough to remember third column, but try to. So that is about third column. Fourth column. Fourth column, last box, very easy to memorize out. How to memorize it? So given one, cystine, cystine. Hello, please. Cystine, cystine. Hello, hello. Stop codon. Please mute. TRP.
अरे प्रणय मूసుకోరా.
Okay. GST, GST, CST. Here for this box, use a GST, taxation system, GST. Okay, instead of that, CST like that, CCST, CCST, CCST. For that one, GST. Okay, so that is about so next one. This complete box. This one is RG9, ARG, RG9, RG9. Next, serine, serine, arginine, arginine. So proposal of genetic code, a big task. And how to memorize this task also, this one also, a big task, daunting task, great task. Okay, last box, very easy. That is a GLY. Okay, glutamic acid. Okay, so that is about a genetic code, triplet codon concept. So according to triplet codon concept, what about the total number of kinds of codon? 64. Out of 64 codons, here I'm taking, as singlet codon and doublet codon are not acceptable according to number of kinds of amino acids, who have been following triplet codon concept only. So what about the total number of kinds of codons? 64 kinds of codons. Kinds. Coding for 20 kinds of amino acids. So total number of kinds of codon, 64 kinds. Out of 64, how many are sense codons? How many sense codons? How many nonsense codons? Sense codon means codon that codes for a particular amino acid. Codon. Sense codon means a codon that codes for a particular amino acid. No problem solved. So sense codon means a codon that codes for concerned amino acids. So U means phenylalanine will be inserted in the protein. So what about the total number of sense codons? Sense codons are 61 kind. 61 kind are the sense codon. They code for how many amino acids? 20 amino acids. 20 kinds of amino acids. And what about nonsense codons? So total number of nonsense codons, 3 kind. Usually 3 kind. So nonsense codon means they do not code for any type of amino acid. They do not code for any type of amino acid. What are the 3 kinds of nonsense codons? UAA, UAG, UGA. So in the formation of nonsense codons, they do not code for any type of amino acid. They're also called as terminating codons, termination codons, terminating codons. They stop synthesis of a polypeptide. First position, uracil. Second one, adenylate acid or guanylate acid. Third position, adenylate acid, guanylate acid. Cytidylate acid is completely absent in this type of nonsense codons. And out of 61 kind of codons, AUG codes for incorporation or introduction of methionine is start codon. Always AUG is first codon to be translated. First codon, initiator codon, initiating codon. For example, this is a mRNA molecule, either prokaryote or eukaryote, whatever it is, general. First codon is AUG. So polypeptide synthesis, protein formation is from 5 to 3 directions. So definitely, usually, what is the first amino acid to be incorporated in the protein? that is a methionine. So first codon is a AUG, hence the name start codon, initiator codon, that is able to initiate polypeptide chain, protein synthesis, protein formation. So these are the nonsense codons. So actually, what about the number of kinds of amino acids involved in the protein formation? 21. How many kinds of codons enough? 20 enough or not? Nonsense codon 1, 21 enough. But here, how many are there? 64. So here, each amino acid is coded by more than one kind of triplet codon. Now here the question is very, very important one. What are the amino acids coded by one kind of codon? One only. One only. One kind, one only. Okay. Next, number of amino acids coded by more than one kind of codon. Next, three kinds of codons, four kinds of codons, like that. For example, take one by one. Phenylalanine is coded by how many kinds of codons? Two types of codons. And what about leucine? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So leucine is coded by how many kinds of triplet codons? 6 kinds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coding for leucine only. Okay, next isoleucine. Isoleucine is coded by 1, 2, 3. Methionine coded by one kind of codon only. Valine, 6 kinds of codons. Next, serine, here 4 kinds, here 2 kinds. So serine is coded by how many kinds of codons? 6 kinds of codons. 6 kinds of codons. Here, sorry, 4, 5, 6. So this is a stop codon, ST, tyro, stop, stop. Here also stop codon. Okay, see, go back to that one, UAA, UAG, and UGA, stop codons. So like that, prepare the data for number of kinds of codons for each amino acid. Simple, I'll give some certain number of questions. Amino acid name, number of kinds of codons. Amino acid name, number of kinds of codons. Prepare the data like that. So what type of questions possible? Following out of all the amino acids, one amino acid is coded by one kind of codon only, two kinds of codons only, three kinds of codons only, six kinds of codons only. What are they? Remember that one. So that is about a triplet codon concept. So that is about a genetic code. What is genetic code? A relationship between, genetic code definition, the relationship between sequence of nucleotides present in DNA template or DNA strand or mRNA strand to the sequence of amino acids present in a protein. Simply, sequence of amino acids present in a protein depends on sequence of nucleotides present on mRNA or DNA. Remember this one. Okay. Now, what are the characteristics of a genetic code? What are the characteristics of a genetic code? Characters of genetic code. What are the features? So, what are the characteristics of a genetic code? So, first one, codon. Code is triplet. Yes, you can understand this one. Code is a triplet. Code is triplet means each codon is with three amino acid, three nucleotides, A, U, G, adenylate acid, uracilic acid, guanylate acid. So it is a triplet. Second one, start codon. Generally AUG, initiator codon. Next, stop codons, nonsense codons. What are they? UAA, UAG, UGA. Up to here, no problem. From here onwards. Fourth one, code is non-overlapping. Non-overlapping. How to understand a code is non-overlapping? For example, AUG. The reading frame, here I'm taking reading frame. This is the way to read that one. AUG. Next. U. Start from here. Next, G. Use the data here. So here reading frame is from A to G. So reading frame is AUG. Okay. And this codon, triplet codon, starts with uracil, ends with uracil. So you should start from uracil. So here what is non-overlapping? So while reading, we should read AUG, U only. We should not read like this. It's the wrong one. So here last nucleotide is not shared by next triplet codon. For example, GUU. This is the wrong way of reading. So there is no overlapping. So this is not existing. This is the wrong one. So code is non-overlapping. So that means simply a nucleotide of one codon is not shared by the other one in the sequence. Next, code is commaless. Without punctuations. Commaless means no punctuations. No punctuations means no comma, no full stop. For example, A, U, G. This is correct one. So correct one. See, wrong one. A comma, U comma, G comma. Wrong. So wrong way of presentation of genetic code. See, A, U, G. Wrong. AUG is correct. Okay. Next. A, U, full stop. G, full stop. Wrong one. So this is wrong one. Or remove this one. This is the correct one. Make the wrong one here. A, U, full stop. R comma. G, full stop or comma. So this is a wrong way of representation of code. So we should not use a full stop, comma between any two successive codons or between nucleotides. No punctuations, no comma, no full stop. So that is called as a code is a comma less, no commas, no full stops. Next character. Next, sixth character. Code is a specific. Specific means non-ambiguous, no ambiguity, no confusion, simply no confusion. Ambiguous means confusion. Non-ambiguous, no confusion. Reason specific. For example, AUG codes for methionine. UUU codes for phenylalanine. So sixth character indicates a specificity of a codon. Next, code is degenerate. Let's see, degenerate, redundant, or redundancy, redundancy, more than required, more than required, more than required kinds of codons. Total number of amino acids, number of kinds of amino acids, 20. Codon kinds, 64. More than required or not? Too much required, more than required. That is called as degeneracy, degenerate codon. 1:1 enough. 1:1 enough or not? It is more than 1:1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. It depends on. So that is called as a degeneracy. Next, eighth one, code is genetic code. Wait, hang on. Wait. Code is okay. Code is nearly universal. Nearly universal. 90% same. Some exemptions are present. Some exemptions are present. Code is nearly universal, not 100% same. Some variations are there. For example, in animal mitochondria, human mitochondria, mitochondria. In mitochondria, sense codons becoming nonsense codon, nonsense codon becoming sense codon. What are the examples for that? So few examples I will give you. So one is in the case of that one, that is actually AGG. Check AGG. AGG. Next, UGA. AGG. AGG. AGA. Memorize this one, please. So actually, they code for what type of amino acid? Actually, according to genetic code, they code for arginine. Not easy to memorize. Arginine. They are the sense codons or not? They are the sense codons. So in the case of animal mitochondria, AGG, AGA are the stop codons. Stop codons. So basically, AGG, AGA code for arginine according to triplet codon concept. But here, AGG in the case of human mitochondria, animal mitochondria, AGG, AGA acting as nonsense codons. So sense codon into nonsense codon. So code is not 100% universal. Some deviations are there. And what about UGA? UGA actually nonsense codon. Actually, that is nonsense codon according to a triplet codon concept. What we prepared the so-called board. In the case of animal mitochondria, it codes for glutamine. So UGA actually nonsense codon coding for glutamine amino acid. So here we can take the statement. Sense codon acting as nonsense codon, nonsense codon acting as a sense codon. So that is about characteristics of genetic code. right? So that is about characteristics of a genetic code. So to understand a genetic code, we need a concept that is mutations. And before that one, how to create codons by taking one codon that was given in Telugu Academy textbook. Remember these are characteristics. Okay, right? Now wait. So take one triplet codon here. In Telugu Academy, it was given, check it later. U, G, U. This is a one codon. So UGU codes for what type of codon? UGU. Check it. UGU. That codes for UGU. Check it. Where is given? UGU. UGU actually codes for cysteine. This one codes for cysteine. Okay. So by changing the position, replace this one with some other nucleotide. Replaced by first one, second one, third one. So you can replace this one with three times. So first one replace actually this is coding for cysteine. So instead of UGU, replace uracil with see guanine. Wait. Replace uracil with guanine. Remaining two as it is. GU. Okay. So how many replaced? How many changed? So here reading frame is changed. Instead of UGU, now it is GGU. Reading frame changed or not? And this one is coding for what type of amino acid? Glycine. Next. And replace first one with second type of nucleotide. So what is that one? Instead of uracil, C G U. This one codes for Arginine, Arginine. 1 minute, hang on. Arg9. So instead of uracil, write the guanine. Instead of uracil, write the cytidalic acid. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, and take one more. That is adenine. So A, remaining two as is GU. This one codes for serine. So first position nucleotide replaced by either guanylate acid, cytidalic, or adenylate. So replaced by 1, 2, 3 times or not? 3 times. So by that, you can create how many kinds of codons? 3. How many? 3. 1, 2, 3. Through square or not? See, 1, 2, 3 completed. First one completed. Now replace guanine with remaining GC, same sequence. Okay, or change your own sequence also. Okay. So next, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now the target is guanylate acid. Okay. Instead of guanylate acid, we should use uracil, cytidalic acid, and adenylate acid. So first start with U. Okay. So U as this, G replaced with U, and again U as this. So change is in one nucleotide here only. So this one codes for phenylalanine. Next, U as this, in between U and U, Instead of G, use C, cyclic acid. And that is coding for serine, I think. Serine. Okay, next, this one. U as it is. Don't change it. Change the guanylate acid with the uracil cyclic. Now the available one is A. U, tyrosine. So three completed. So here uracil is replaced by either guanine, cytosine, or adenine. How many times? 3 times. Guanine, uracil, cyclic acid, and A. Here it is A. Replaced one A. So 3 created or not? So 3 plus 3. Next, this position. Take 3 arrows. Now replace UG as this, UG as this, UG as this, and change uracil. Okay. So according to textbook, GAC, GAC. Changed one, new one, new one. What are they? This one is a TRP, tryptophan. UGA stop codon. UGC, cysteine. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. How many? 9 or not? 3, 3, 3. So 3 plus 3 plus 3. 9. So by changing the position of one nucleotide in one codon, we can create how many kinds of codons? 9 kinds of codons. Okay, is it clear? So definitely they will ask this bit. Remember this one. So that is about characteristics of a genetic code. Okay, my dear students. Wait, hang on.